off the backhand, but out of the reach of Tatro. Now Mac Walkington, good tip over to Funk. Funk's got some speed, dangle to the side, backhander, top corner!
Here's a 3-on-2 for Steinbach, shorthanded. Williams cuts all the way in and then gets his shot blocked. Here's a giveaway. Played in front, Martin scores! What a pass by Bodie Bates!
Wojciechowski, there's a shot, rebound off the side of the net. Comes right back. Jake Reese steers that right around from McCullum. Hartwell, he scores!
Scramble off for a change. Puck moved up into the neutral zone. Tatro lets a shot go, boy! Howard can't get a handle on it, which means Miles Minor can't go to the bench. Breakaway for Westbrook. Westbrook, what a save by Miles Minor!
Here's Calder, over the line. Calder, shot, scores.